Hello my beautiful angels and welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I hope you're doing really well. I've missed you so much. So in today's video I thought I would film a little spring clean video. I know a lot of you guys miss these videos because I am a bit more into my beauty and fashion and all that kind of stuff, but I still love my lifestyle. I still love cleaning, and I don't really do many vlogs like this anymore, and I've had so many messages from you angels on Instagram like, please can you do some, we really miss them. So I thought I'll do it for you guys, and whoever just likes makeup, I'm still doing makeup as well, so there's a bit of everything for everyone on my channel. So considering it is now spring, which is amazing, slowly getting warm weather, slowly we're getting there. So yeah, I thought I'd do a little spring clean. Honestly, my flat, look at this, there's like packages everywhere, there's boxes everywhere, clothes everywhere. It's not looking its prettiest if I'm honest. So I thought you guys could come with me today and clean my flat. So yeah, it literally needs like a proper clean in every single room, so I thought we could do it today. So if you did want to see me clean my flat, then please keep watching. Okay, my beautiful angels, so I always have to start off with the kitchen. If you guys have seen any of my cleaning videos before in the past, you will know that I have to do the kitchen first. It's just, I don't know why, I just feel like when I've done that, then I can move on to everything else and it's all done. So I start off with the washing up, anything that needed to be washing up from that day, and then I'll go in with my favourite Sephora. This one is called Very Berry at the moment. It's my favourite. There is a new spring one that's out and I really want to try it, but I haven't seen it yet, so hopefully I can get it soon. So I'll literally just pop that in the sink with some warm / hot water, and then I'll put my minky in there and I literally just wipe all the surfaces with it. They weren't dirty because I think I wiped them in the morning, but I feel like they just needed a good old clean, and Sephora makes the whole kitchen smell unreal. So that is what I'm doing with the whole kitchen, and then I'll just get a microfiber cloth and wipe everything down. With the hob, I like to use a little bit of baby oil just to add that little bit of shine to it, but you don't have to do this if you don't want to, it's optional.
On my mind.
Next up is soda crystals. I learnt this tip from Mrs. Hinch. What I do is put like half a mug full into my plug hole, and then you want to get white vinegar. I've got both of these from Savers and they're both under £1, which is crazy. And it just prevents anything from clogging up in your drain basically. So after you've done that, it's really cool, it like fizzes. You want to boil your kettle, and then after it's boiled, just pop it all down the drain and then you're good to go. You can pop a neat full like cup of Sephora as well, but I wanted to like clean my sink here, so I didn't do that, but yeah, you can do that if you want to. I'm then going to hoover my kitchen. It's so tiny, so it doesn't take me long to do at all, and I'm using my favourite shark hoover. It is unbelievable. I'll link it for you guys down below. It is honestly so good, I couldn't recommend it enough. And then I am using some diluted Sephora with my really old mop and just cleaning my kitchen floor. Before I move on to any dusting, I'm going to use this Glade Shake and Vac, and what I do is just pop it all over my carpet. It literally smells amazing, and I'll leave it just sort of like do its thing and just seep into the carpets while I do other bits, and then I'll hoover it up after. So I'm literally just going to clean and dust everywhere in my lounge just because it needed a bit of a dust. I sort of like to do it every couple of days just to keep on top of it. I won't leave it till the last minute. I used to do that, but I feel like this has helped me a lot better just to keep on top of the whole flat. So I'll just dust everything and make sure it's all nice and sparkly. So after I have hoovered everything up with the best hoover in the world, oh my god, I literally love it so much, I'm going to use this Carpet Fresh, and it's basically a foam that you put on after you hoover, and it just dissolves into your carpet. I always put it on my sofa too. It's just any sort of like fabric material, and it seeps in, so it dissolves, but it smells unbelievable. It doesn't last too long, but I just feel like it means I've sort of done the cleaning then. I'm then going to get some diluted, I think this is Comfort, and I dilute it with some water into a bottle, and I just spray my curtains, sofa, flowers and stuff with it, and it honestly smells so good, and it makes my flat smell of washing, and it's the best thing ever. So this is a little tip that I have for you guys. I use tumble dry sheets. I got this tip from Mrs. Hinch. I put them in my cushions, but I already done it the day before. But what I also like to do is pop them in between my sofa, and it just makes it smell so lovely and smells of washing. So give it a go, honestly, it's so good. It is now time to change my wax melt. I love doing this because whenever I change it, it's just so fresh. I also got this tip from Mrs. Hinch. Honestly, she's the best person when it comes to cleaning. So I get cotton wool. I used to have more wax in it, but I think Bradley or someone that came around spilt it, so I'm not too sure. So once I've cleaned it out, I'll then get a new Glade. The Glade wax melts are my favourite, especially vanilla, and I think it's the Sandwood and Jasmine. It's so good too. So yeah, once I've done that, I'll just pop that in, and then that will last a couple of days, and then when the scent goes, I'll just do the same thing again. Moving on to my beauty room, there wasn't too much to do in here. It was just a bit cluttered, and it got to the point where I wasn't putting any of my hair stuff away and just being lazy like usual. So I was like, no, you know what, I want to keep it all nice and tidy. So I made sure I cleaned all the mirrors, made sure everything was put away and just all sparkly, because I've got this really lovely mirrored furniture from, I think it's from Life Furniture. I can't remember. I'll leave it for you guys in the description box down below. And it's amazing. But of course, because it's mirrored, it's a lot harder to maintain and clean. So I find myself cleaning this a lot. But when it is cleaned, it sparkles. And I love it so much. Moving on to the bathroom, I always try to clean this and just maintain it, so there wasn't too much that needed to be done. I always have to bleach my toilets most days, and then I'll use the lime scale and grime from Silly Bang. I'll just pop this in my sink and bath, and I left it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. I rinsed it out at the end, but I forgot to show you guys. But yeah, I just do that because it gets rid of any like sort of muck and build up that's been left in there. Moving on to the bedroom, I did film it, but I didn't. I did hoover it, but I forgot to film it. But I'm just going to show you guys me doing my bedside tables, just cleaning them. And I did make my bed, but that was earlier in the morning, so I guess you didn't need to see that anyway. But yeah, this is what I just tend to do. And I done my windowsill as well, but I think I forgot to film it because I was getting distracted by Lottie. But anyway, my angels, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you. Bye.